Hey, it's Edon with Sentrik. We built a programmatic site that helps to connect local contractors with homeowners. The issue with a site like this is it's hard to get everything indexed. We only have the homepage indexed right now. The way that we index the homepage is going to Search Console, type in the homepage, and we indexed like that. But that's not a good solution at scale. So the solution is to use Google Index API. To use Google Index API, you can go to Google Developer Console. I've already done that. I'm not going to show my settings because it has some secret information. But anyways, you can download the JSON credential file and throw it into a Python program. And then what you want to do is download your URLs that are not indexed from Search Console. So in Search Console here, we're in pages crawled, currently not indexed. See all these pages that are not indexed? What you want to do is export, download to CSV. I have a file on my desktop that has the Python program. And first clean the URLs because it's going to come with the dates and the URLs. You want to clean it so it doesn't have the dates attached. Put it into a urls.txt file and then run it through a Python program that sends it to Google. So in this folder, I have tables CSV. That came from the crawled currently not indexed. That's in this folder with my submit URLs and clean URLs. I'm going to run the clean URLs because I want to clean up the dates on this. And it also has my urls.txt file, which is going to save the cleaned URLs. So now I have that saved in urls.txt. You can see that over here. Now I would like to run submit urls.py, but I just ran a video before and the video just bugged out on me. So I already ran this and we submitted 200 URLs. So we reached our daily limit. Let's see what happens here anyway. We reached our daily limit. See, okay, so it's getting 429 errors. So indeed, we reached our daily limit. We're gonna have to try tomorrow. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna try other methods. We're gonna try tomorrow and check in a couple of days to see if these URLs are indeed indexed in Google.